How to delete album in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen to go to your profile page. And here you need to scroll down till you find this toolbar that says photos, music, and avatars and stuff like that. Click on photos and then click on albums to go to the albums section. Say for example I wanted to delete the album that named Memories. Click on it, and once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen and click on delete. A pop-up window will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to delete this album, and all of the photos will be deleted. Click delete to confirm, and that's it. The album was successfully deleted as Facebook just told us. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete albums on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.